Good morning, Miami. Well, it appears as though we're right back where we started from on this cruise. Actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I'm probably shooting Miami Beach across the way, but we are physically in Miami, and today we're going to be going to Vancouver. Although I'm going to assume it's going to take way less time than the last time we both went to Vancouver from Miami together. Yes, I hope so. Join us. We are at Fort Lauderdale-Hollywood International Airport. Yeah, so that's where we are. We're flying off to Chicago now. And we're connecting from Chicago about an hour and then to Vancouver, our home. And it's a nice airport here, you know? It's a good alternative to Miami International, which is probably a lot busier. And that's okay. I still have the sea legs. Maybe I'll have the air legs too. Is that a thing?
I don't know. Meal bears.
What do you got there?
A mini hamburger.
But you don't even eat hamburgers.
It reminds me of childhood.
You ate a lot of hamburgers as a child?
Did you ever eat these candies as a child?
No, that's cool. You should have it. Oh, this
did you ever?
Is that beef?
Yeah, this is the beef patty.
Oh.
They have like the little lettuce and the hamburger bun.
I never saw you eat lettuce before. It's good to have your veggies.
Have you ever had these?
Nah.
They're like the best candies when I was little.
What does it taste like?
It tastes like gummy.
Oh, okay.
It doesn't taste like a hamburger.
No?
No.
I'd be interested if it tasted like a hamburger.
No, there's no hamburger taste here.
Oh. It looks like our flight that we're going on is now letting out. So, yeah, not a good idea to line up right now, so we should just stay out of the way. And then we go on when we need to. Enjoy your hamburger.
It's gone already?
Oh, and it's gone.
We like the Star Wars ads.
Yeah, I like it. Fly the friendly galaxy. Now you're camera shy? You're weird. Well, we're definitely in front of the jet engines. I'm behind, rather in front of the wing also, so I guess that's good. That's a lot of vodka. Hopefully this boarding goes smoothly and we're not like any more delayed. I know this plane was about 10 minutes delayed coming in. Otherwise we're going to be like the McAllister family running through O'Hare trying to catch our next flight. So hopefully that's not the case. So far, so good. I think it's so cool that that plane has a flamingo on it. You don't see planes with flamingos on it very much. Look, a flamingo. So cool. A lot of planes lined up ready to take off. Cool. I think we're after this one. Yeah, we're definitely after this one. Hot nuts, like they're burning hot. Not bad though. I feel like a chipmunk.
It's good.
We should write down the name.
It says made good.
Made good.
Made good. It's the chocolate chip crispy square.
Very nice. Tastes like a Cocoa Puffs. Rice Krispie treat. Wowee. That looks really good. I wonder how it tastes. Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. After the sun goes down, well, that's when the show begins. We're here. About our next flight boards in a half hour. This might be the same exact hallway from Home Alone. What's up?
Pretzel.
You want a pretzel? What kind of pretzel?
Pretzel.
With the cock doggy in it? A hot dog? No? I hope we make our flight. Now we're gonna make our flight. We have like a half hour, so we're good until the boarding starts. So we're extra good. But now I'm gonna go to the Billy Goat because I heard good things. No, it's not the real Billy Goat. It's the airport version of the Billy Goat cheeseburger. I guess I have to have a cheeseburger.
Been waiting forever.
Oh yeah. Oh, okay.
Is it worth it?
Oh,
Is it what you remember?
never had it before.
Oh.
We stopped here to get a pretzel and a cheeseburger. And I like the cheeseburger. It was breadier than I expected, but it was good bread, you know?
Huh.
Of the good bread, au bon pain.
Very cool.
How's your pretzel?
I haven't eaten it yet.
Okay.
I'm waiting for a soda.
Oh, we should go to Vancouver now then.
Yeah.
It's very foggy out there.
Is it broken? Okay, good. Woohoo! Wow, the day looks weird.
No, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Okay, we're home now. It's time to get rid of the tropical clothes and back to plaid. It's literally been a very long day for us. Back where we came from, it's 2:45 in the morning. But over here, it's, I don't know, 3 hours earlier. So, it's been a good adventure. What would you say? It was full of everything.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Bad stuff, good stuff. But overall, it was good.
Yeah. But that's it for today.
That's it for this trip.
We'll see you guys later.
Yes.
Monkeys out.
Monkeys out. New adventures coming.